So, I'm Harry, and today I'm going to talk about conditional. And first of all, this is the definition. This is the definition. And conditional sentences are a useful way of exploring the relationship between cause and effect. And conditional sentence always contain two parts: the if clause, with which expresses the condition, and a clause expressing the result. The if clause can come first or second. When it comes first, you should put a comma after it. And so, so let's start talk about the zero conditional.
Today we are going to talk about what
So, a zero conditional, it means that the thing is real, and it's like 100% correct. And usually we use scientific effect because they're being they're being tested, so they are more likely to be correct. And instead of just using if, you can use if, when, or
hygiene.
whenever.
Today we are talk about what
They're all fine,
hygiene is used
and
by
they're 100% correct.
no measures and caution.
And then,
Next we will talk about what
if you change the sequence, it won't affect the meaning.
expression claim
Also, because if it's a dependent clause, so this is also a complex sentence.
authorities. Let's move to the hygiene word.
And then
Appears
they normally use present simple.
elements of doubt.
So the sentence structure will look like this.
Appear to enjoy means it appears that people enjoy blah blah blah. Second is it appears as if. Although three words can also use as this.
So this is how it will looks like. And here are some few examples. For example, if you want to
Example, destructive deviations tend
if you want to come, and we have to put comma after it,
suggest in
call me
estimate.
be
These three words are weaker in meaning than
before
include
7.
this word. A study suggests
So this is a like zero conditional sentence because it's like if you want to do this, you have to call me like 100%. And next one is ask your mom if you don't know what to do.
For example, deregulation contribute to the bank
Oh, it's smart.
increases.
Yeah. So because if clause is in the middle, so you don't need to put a comma in it. Also, like complex sentence, the definition, like if the dependent clause come in first, you need to add a comma between the two sentences. This is also a zero conditional sentence because if you use dependent clause, you have to add a comma after it. So let's move on to the first conditional. So the first conditional is very similar to zero conditional, but it's not 100% correct. It's sometimes correct and very likely, very possible to be correct in the future. So, and usually we use will in it to say like it will happen in the future. So this is how it will look like for the sentence type. And we put will. Yeah, like this. And here are some few examples. So the first one is if it rain right now, we will get wet. Rains. Thank you, Sue. So we will get wet. So it might not be rain right now, so it's not 100% correct. And so this is, we add will in the middle, so this is the first conditional. And the second one is, this one is a little bit longer, so I won't type it out. If you don't give the money back, there will be someone following you on your way home. So this is also a first conditional because you may give the money back and this won't happen. So the last example is, if Mary keep texting,
Keeps
what?
as
Sorry. Yeah. Keep texting my boyfriend, I will punch her in the face. So this one is also first conditional because we use will here, and this is not like 100% it will happen because Mary might keep texting my boyfriend or not. So that's it. This is the zero conditional and the first conditional.